Welcome to Owens Community College Career and Transfer Services Virtual Job Shadow Tutorial. Virtual Job Shadow is an online career planning and career exploration tool that provides you resources for charting your career path and assisting you in creating short-term and long-term goals. Let's get started. To log into Virtual Job Shadow, first log into your Ozone account and look for My Career Center. From the list of hyperlinks, you will want to click on Virtual Job Shadow. If you're not quite sure where to start, or you're logging into Virtual Job Shadow as an undecided student, a career assessment might be the best way to get started. To access an assessment, select Tools and then select Assessments, or you can select My Plan at the top of the page and then select Complete an Interest Assessment. To start browsing careers, click on Careers at the top of the page and then select Career Central from the drop-down menu. Here you can start to browse careers that are of interest to you. There may be careers on here that you hadn't even thought about before. There is a filter feature on the top left of the page that allows you to edit your search criteria. You can search careers based on education level, industry, and interest area. If you already have a career goal in mind or a career path that you already are interested in, you can select it from the page or type it into the search bar. For example, if you are interested in nursing. The video icon indicates that there is a video job shadowing experience available for you to view. Inside the career you selected, there is more information about this career pathway on the bullet points to the left. If you like this career, select the heart icon or My Careers. This will save the career to your career profile so you can come back to it later. Are you thinking about transferring to a 4-year college after your time at Owens? Select the Colleges tab at the top of the page and then select Search. You'll have the opportunity to browse a variety of college options based on your search criteria. Compare choices by selecting Colleges tab at the top and then select Compare Colleges. You can add it to My Colleges by selecting the heart shape. This will also allow you the opportunity to come back to your favorites at a later time. Are you planning on jumping right into your career after your time at Owens? Consider using Virtual Job Shadow's job search feature. Type in the job you're looking for and you will be taken to a listing of available jobs. If you select a link, you will be taken to the original job posting, in this instance on Indeed.com. Are you looking for an internship opportunity while you're still in school? At Owens, you'll have the opportunity to coordinate an internship with your internship coordinator assigned to your program of study. However, you can use Virtual Job Shadow as a resource to see what's out there. Simply select Internship Search and you will be redirected to the corresponding posting, very similar to the job search option. Virtual Job Shadow can also help you develop a plan. It's easy to develop short-term and long-term goals by selecting My Plan at the top of the page. You can add multiple goals at the same time. This will help you map out the steps of your educational pathway and your career journey. Have you started building your resume yet? Need some help? Select Tools at the top of the page and then select Resume Builder. Select New, follow the prompts, and then save your work. You will also have the option of saving as a Microsoft Word file so that you can edit or print your resume at your convenience. Also make sure to stop into the Career Services office and get your resume reviewed by your career advisor. For more information about Virtual Job Shadow and other resources offered by the Career and Transfer Services Office of Owens Community College, stop in and meet your career advisor. Owens Career and Transfer Services. Your success starts here.